Turn your morning coffee into a luxurious delight with Kahlua. Hey there, coffee lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delicious treat in store for you. We're going to show you how to make a fantastic Kahlua coffee that will have you buzzing with delight. So grab your mugs and let's get started. But before we jump right into the recipe, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell, so you never miss any of our caffeinated creations. Ingredients: 1 cup freshly brewed coffee, 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, Kahlua liqueur, whipped cream, optional, chocolate shavings, optional. Instructions: brew your favorite coffee using your preferred method. Make sure it's hot and freshly brewed. Pour the hot coffee into a mug or glass. Add 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, of Kahlua liqueur to the coffee. Adjust the amount of Kahlua to suit your taste preferences. You can add more or less depending on how strong you want the Kahlua flavor to be. Stir the coffee and Kahlua mixture gently to combine. If desired, top the coffee with a dollop of whipped cream. This adds a creamy texture and enhances the flavors. For an extra touch of indulgence, sprinkle some chocolate shavings on top of the whipped cream. Serve the Kahlua coffee hot and enjoy. And there you have it, folks. A tantalizing Kahlua coffee that's sure to become your new favorite indulgence. Whether you're sipping it in the morning to kickstart your day or enjoying it as an after-dinner treat, this recipe is a winner. Don't forget to give it a try and let us know how it turned out for you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other coffee-inspired recipes and tips on our channel. And remember, life's too short for boring coffee, so keep exploring and experimenting with flavors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.